Content alone doesn't make money. Content feeds your funnel. Funnels build know, like, and trust with your community. Automation follows up, giving or adding additional information on your products and services. Follow up is very imperative. Conversion becomes predictable. Why? You are following a system, you have structure. You are not just throwing a whole lot of mud on the wall, hoping it sticks, hoping it works. Remember, when one of these pieces are missing, everything feels hard. Believe me, I operated from a standpoint of having incompleted systems and funnels and not knowing which tools to integrate for my system to operate at optimal level, doing most of the heavy lifting work on my behalf 24/7. So drop me a comment and I'll share my proven system with you that leads you step by step on how you can create formulas and have the proper structure in place so that you can build rapport, build know, like, and trust, generate leads, and convert leads into paying customers.